I will talk about the Earl Nightingale's The Strangest Secret in the World today. So um, I have been listening to it for quite some time now, and every day, depending upon my mindset, I listen to a new aspect of it, and that is quite strange for me. Uh, for the last few days, I have been having some self doubt about the course I am doing, whether it will be successful or not, because it is the first time I am undertaking a course design, and it has a lot of way to go, lot of things to be done before it takes to the market. So there is a self doubt about this thing, and I know because the course is about this also, about dealing with this doubt. I know that when the mind starts thinking about a goal, decides a goal to be achieved, then there is resistance from the ego self that it can't be done. So the self doubt that is creeping in inside me is part of that. So I understand why that is happening. So today I discovered one thing. This strangest secret is about, like, say, so many people start with the same goal, not goal actually. They will start with same enthusiasm and same mindset about having a glorious future, but they end up doing nothing. So why that has happened? Because they have not defined their goal yet. What will be they doing with their life? And it is so very important. It is not actually something you can take for granted. If you think something, it is not that your goal has been set. You need to take some effort to define that goal, and while you define that goal, it should resonate with yourself, with your passion, and with your dream, and so many other aspects that will make you happy. So those aspects you need to understand. And if there is a little glitch also out there while you define your goal, then it is not a goal. It will definitely uh, can disintegrate you. So be specific about that goal. That is what the strangest secret is about. So today what I learned is, when you decide about that goal, and I know my passion, whatever my passion is, it is about impacting people in a positive manner, through directly or indirectly with my work, especially in case of livelihoods, so that people will have thousands of livelihood choices uh, all the world over. So that is my dream, and I want to achieve that through this digital course, giving them some hint about how to go about it. It is not like achieving lot of degrees, diplomas, and distinction about some skill. There can be multiple sets of skills, all directed towards that particular dream goal of oneself. And so this strangest secret is about that. One specific point it has made is, you just be focused about what you want to become, not how you want to become. The how part is actually left to the universe, and the arranger who is actually taking care of the universe, and how this thing can be materialized. It is a roadmap which is not within our control. So the strangest secret says that don't bother about the how, which may restrict you to design the what. So be open minded about the what, and write down whatever comes to your mind. And nobody is going to laugh at you because you are writing in your diary, and there is no necessity of it being made public. You can keep it secret within your diary, within your journal, and the most important thing is start taking action. Start taking small action towards how much you are able to see towards your dream self. Once you reach that small milestone, up to what you are able to able to see, foresee, that is the goal for the right for this moment itself. So you start taking action towards that milestone. Maybe it is the 1/10 of whatever your ultimate self is, but decide upon that and make a work plan about that. The very way we make our work plan when we start working towards a project or something, so that will be your first task towards doing that. And to make that habit possible, one should have a 30 minutes 30 days goal. Every day you work towards something and make that habit to pursue it for 30 days. And in between, if you falter, then stop, then start again, start the countdown again from home. So if one can persist for 30 days, it is made into a habit. And you start having a more clearer picture of your self. So that is the trick I have learned this week from The Stranger's Secret. So go and watch The Stranger's Secret. It is all over the internet, and it is a huge bonus and huge gift for us towards our ultimate self. Thank you.